And he always loved to feel like she was on top of the world, even though her world was crumbling right under her feet. And he never cared much about fixing up her house. She had bigger dreams. One morning, people woke up and saw Annie driving past their yard, horn blowing loudly.
Wanna make way, Annie reach.
She bought a car, an old white Nissan Sunny, shaking like a goat with fever whenever she drove it fast. It was only 2 weeks now since she started driving it, and already it was backfiring like gunshots. But Annie loved it badly. She posted it on TikTok and Facebook saying,
Me finally buy me car. Me can't believe it. Me own things now.
Comments started rolling in fast. Some people were happy for her, but many were upset and laughing.
If Jabisha really sell Annie the car, if Jabba should go in jail. Anyhow, when you sell her that car, if you go straight to prison. Because he know next month he crosses what she have to go through. Oh God Almighty.